Hello and good evening. Today I had to come online just because I will be shortly recording a podcast which will be completely talking about the women rights and children safety and protection. These are the two subjects which are really closer to my heart, and I notice that in my all readings and in all my literary work, I have been very sensitized to this particular subject, whether it's Nirbhaya happening or whether it's that Thakur guy getting gang raped or whatever happened in that bloody school of Gurgaon. Everything has gotten me thinking that what is the surety that women or that for that any human being, I mean any person, any gender is safe in the hands of perversity. And the perversity is very strange. I mean, I don't understand. I can understand the psychic people, I can understand the psychopaths. But at the same time, I am also aware that this exploitation, this gender exploitation, this sexual exploitation, this kids exploitation, there is a particular word which is for child pornography. And I have also seen in my own experience that it can happen anywhere to anyone. Adults are not safe, so what to talk about the kids? My heart goes to those victims. My heart goes to those people who have been the silent victims. My heart goes to the people who are still suffering. My heart goes to the women who are still quietly suffering. My heart goes to the children who have never understood why they were touched so offensively by their grandparents, by their uncles, by their bloody mamas. Who knows? I mean, this is a big, wild world. What happens in the back end? What happens in the minds? What happens behind the doors? What happens behind the curtains? What happens behind every closed freaking wall? We never know. And it's a long story cut short that I hate this all. I remember I have read few stories. There is a writer from Miranda House that I think that's Manju Kapoor. So Manju Kapoor's story, it talks about how a girl gets kind of victimized by a cousin. Then there is one story which, what to talk about stories? I mean, there is a movie in the Hollywood by name Lolita, which is like maybe a Russian novel, if I'm not wrong. So the story is everywhere. We got to see what happens. We are all aware. We are not kids. Being a woman, I know the reality. So I'm not going to be tricked by your stupid wheels. Speak up. Don't stay silent. Don't take it in your stride. Violence in any form, exploitation in any form, has to be stopped in its tracks. And that's what I mean. Sorry, I got worked up, but the topic is so subject. The subject is so intense. And I had this very brilliant interaction with this president of Delhi chapter. She is, I don't remember what's the designation, but she is into this big time child activism and women and child right activities. So I quite liked what she's doing. She's educating the people about um, how it has to be tackled, this violence, this behind the curtain scenes, this bad touching, this bloody bad eyeing. I have no idea. But I also know that whether it's men or women, they can be highly perverts when they are at their own element. It's all curtained, it's all walled. And it's not a guarantee that the person sitting right next to me or the person right I'm talking to has something going on in his mind. So it's as vulnerable as it gets. But I'm very happy that at least she's there, and I think a lot of frustration, a lot of anger, a lot of thoughts are emerging in my mind, and shortly I will be in here. Thank you, and see you if I got to decide to post my podcast on here. Bye bye.